2016 Honda Odyssey LX. 7-passenger van. Got some new rim covers on the way. It's not arrived yet. I want to go and get this video out for the weekend. Got a good set of necks and tires, tinted windows. Got a rear bumper protector. Rear cargo mat. Stow and go third row. Got the captain's chairs in the second row. Gray interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver seat adjustments. CD player. Triple automatic climate control. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth. Cruise. Just under 135,000 miles. Come see us at U-Cars.